teachers understand the importance of STEM. We also understand how difficult it is to add one more thing to your day. Let me tell you about a program that can help. The WOW program is a Wright-Patterson Air Force Base educational outreach program that can help you add more STEM activities to your classroom, and it's all free.
The WOW program has 4 flights. Let me tell you about them. First, we have WOW in the classroom. By going to our website, you can request specific demonstrations for your classroom that meet your academic standards. Our wizards, scientists and engineers and other subject matter experts, as well as members of our military, will visit your classroom and present these hands-on activities.
Okay, so the Earth, like I said, it has some metal in it, and it's a big, big magnet.
It's not always easy to mesh the schedules of our volunteers with the specific time period of your class. In that case, borrow any of the materials that you need.
Our second flight, WOW on Wheels, is coming in September of 2018. The WOW program offers an array of STEM materials, anything from beakers and graduated cylinders to microscopes, wind tunnels, and telescopes. You let us know what you need to borrow, how long you need it, and we'll bring it to you. It's that easy. Our third flight will be landing in 2019, WOW TV. Many of our demonstrations will be found on video on YouTube. You can use these videos in a multitude of ways. You can watch the video while deciding if this demonstration is the one you need and if it will meet your standards.
So at this part of the lesson, we begin asking the students to give examples of ways to protect ourselves from the sun.
Or, after requesting the demo, you can watch the video in order to prepare a pre-lesson or review for your students.
So take a dry toothpick, a clean one, and see if you can ruin any of these water beads.
Finally, we will have WOW DIY, do it yourself, activity sheets and videos for students and families to download and do at home.
Let me remind you, whether it's a visit from our wizards, borrowing materials from WOW on Wheels, or using a video from WOW TV, everything is always free for every classroom teacher. Please visit our website. Check us out.